So today we're making spaghetti. We just cut up our onion. We have everything else added except for the Italian sausage. So Travion is here with me. He's helping me. Are you ready to eat spaghetti?
Yes.
It's gonna make you big and strong. So again, we have our mushrooms already. We have our ground beef. We have our sauce. And then we have Italian seasoning and our salt and pepper. We have our water ready over here for our noodles. And so we're going to come back to you a little bit later and let you know how it turns out. We'll have the ingredients.
How it turns out.
Yes, how it turns out. Do you like spaghetti?
Yeah, I like it.
Okay.
It's foodie.
And so remember to subscribe and save. We'll have the ingredients down below for you.